Without self-confidence, life is like a boat drifting in a river without direction, without purpose. Once upon a time in a busy city, there lived a businessman who supported his family by selling salt. He had a wife and 2 sons. Many took advantage of his simplicity, but he never complained. The businessman was frequently disappointed by his elder son's shy behavior and often scolded him harshly. As a result, the boy's confidence shattered even more. He couldn't write answers properly in exams due to fear and gradually started falling behind. Eventually, when he became a young man, his father asked him to help with the family business. Out of fear of disappointing his father, he agreed, but due to his nervousness, he often made mistakes and couldn't communicate properly with customers. This made his father even angrier. One day, when the businessman was out, some cunning men came to the shop. They lied to the young man, saying, "Your father sent us to collect all the salt sacks for the city." The young man hesitated to question them. Before he could realize what was happening, they took all the goods and left. That evening, when his father returned and found the shop empty, he screamed in rage, "You worthless boy, you've ruined everything I built. Get out of my sight right now. Never come back again." Crushed by his father's words, the young man felt completely broken. His father's anger, the mockery of neighbors, and his own helplessness made him feel utterly worthless. Shame was choking him. He thought, "There's no point in living anymore. I'll always be a failure." God gives it to us only once. If you keep living, you can overcome your failures and find success. At his home, the wise old man said, "I have the answer to your question, but first, you have to follow me for 3 days. If you complete 3 tasks, I will change your life." Seeing a glimmer of hope, the young man agreed. On the first day, the old man said, "Today you will speak with 10 strangers. Ask about their lives and write down what they say." Though hesitant, the boy started. Some people ignored him, some looked at him strangely, but he patiently kept trying. By evening, he had spoken to 10 people and even made a few new friends. For the first time, he felt a small spark of pride inside his heart. On the second day, the old man said, "Today you will teach 10 children why water is important." Startled, the young man said, "But I haven't studied properly. How can I teach them?" The old man smiled and said, "They don't know that you are uneducated. Just share what you do know." With trembling hands and a glass of water, the young man stood before the children. He explained 5 benefits of drinking water and quickly stepped back. To his surprise, the children clapped and smiled. Had done Italiano. That night, for the first time, he slept peacefully. The next day, he taught again, this time with more confidence. He realized his fear was slowly melting away. On the 3rd day, the old man said, "Now you must go back to your father and apologize." Terrified, the young man said, "No, my father will never forgive me." The old man replied, "If you don't do this, I won't give you my final advice." Gathering all his courage, the young man returned home. He humbly apologized to his father and promised to prove himself. Seeing the change in his son's eyes, the father remained silent for a while. Then he slowly said, "All right, You'll have another chance." The young man bowed and thanked him. He worked harder than ever, treated customers with kindness, and learned from every mistake. His business started growing again. One evening, he visited the old man and said, "Now, please tell me, what is the secret to success?" The wise old man smiled gently and said, "You've already discovered it. Your biggest enemy wasn't shy. It was fear. People see you the way you present yourself. If you show confidence, no one will think you're weak. True strength comes from self-belief." With tears of gratitude, the young man bowed and said, "I understand now. I won't let fear win again." Years passed, and that one shy boy became a respected businessman, admired for his calm nature and powerful confidence. People who once mocked him now sought his advice. He had built not just a business but himself. Remember this: self-confidence isn't something we are born with. It's something we build. Every time we face fear and take a step forward, our courage grows stronger. The world will always test you, criticize you, and sometimes reject you. But when you believe in yourself, no failure can break you. Fear and doubt will whisper lies in your ear, but courage will lead you to your destiny. Confidence doesn't mean you're never scared. It means you act, despite being scared. If you liked this story, please give it a like and leave a comment. Until next time, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.